Hey, I'm Todd from Johnson Auto Body, and today we're going to be talking about a new toy, the MoonWalk. So this is PPG's MoonWalk. It's their automated mixing system to make our color portion of all of our paint that we use. So this paint system's already was excellent with color match. We got the choice of any paint system in the world, and this is what we choose to use because we want to use it. We know this is good stuff. So basically, now we can take our little camera, we go scan a car. It tells us what to line up in this machine, and it mixes it all for us. Super cool, big time saver. So these guys can set this up, and then it's mixing all the paint while they're doing other stuff. Then once they're ready, they just grab it off of there and go paint their car, and they're good to go. On my end, the things that help me out, it's gonna hopefully save us some money because we're able to mix smaller amounts. It's way more accurate than like a human hand. So we're able to mix smaller amounts of paint, which means if these guys are making paint for a car, they always had to make a little bit of a buffer because you can't go back and make the correct color in a small amount. But now we can do that. So they can try and make the exact amount they need, and if they end up needing a tiny bit more, they just come out here, hit a button, and it'll pour it for them, and they're good to go, and it's gonna be the same exact color. So the way this works accuracy-wise is we used to be able to make our paint to the 10th decimal, which is really accurate, excellent color matches, everything always worked out great, and we blend it all in anyway, so you can't tell. This now mixes to the 100th decimal, so it's way more accurate, and that's why we're able to make smaller amounts of paint if we need to. Super cool, super big time saver for these guys, so they can be using it to make the paint while they're doing other things, and it helps them get a better color match, and hopefully saves us some money too. It's a win-win-win all the way around. If you're a customer, that means that we should be able to process cars that much faster because our guys are more productive. I feel like little details like this are what really makes us stand out above our competition. And of course, as usual, if you have any questions about anything, give us a call here at Johnson Auto Body.